You can see that the wallet, and there's some balance that I have already make unconfirmed transaction that confirmed to my wallet. Okay, so I'm gonna do new transaction. Just go to inspect and then get it cancel. Okay, there's some warnings, just ignore and uh, paste here your script. Okay, it's just pasted, press enter, and there's the hash ID. Okay, copy to clipboard and then paste here, click OK. Before next clicking OK, I just wanted to show you the real channel. This is the only real channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, and another all channel was fake, so be aware from that. Yeah, so click OK, once again OK, and close everything from here and refresh balance to see your balance, new balance. Okay, so as you can see, our balance received successfully. Let me show you date, today date and time. It's 2:11 p.m. Thursday, 11 December 2025. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will confirm right now during the video, or maybe it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see, maybe it will confirm right now. Now it's not confirmed right now, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, so subscribe this channel for more related videos.